In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a newsletter to your WordPress site using Elementor. This is a powerful tool that can help you grow your subscriber list and keep your audience engaged with fresh content right in their inboxes. We're going to break this down into easy steps, ensuring you can follow along seamlessly, even if you're new to Elementor or WordPress. First, let's begin with accessing your WordPress dashboard. Once you've logged in, navigate over to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. Here, you'll want to add a new plugin. Search for the Elementor plugin if it's not already installed, and go ahead and install it. Activate it once the installation process is complete. Elementor is a fantastic page builder with a drag-and-drop interface, making it user-friendly when designing your newsletter section. After Elementor is ready, you'll need to install a newsletter plugin. There are several great options available, like MailChimp, Newsletter, or MailPoet. For this tutorial, let's assume you've chosen MailPoet. Again, head back to your Plugins section and search for your chosen newsletter plugin. Click Install, and then activate it. This plugin will handle your email list management and allow you to send newsletters directly from WordPress. Now that both plugins are up and running, we're going to create a new page where we'll add the newsletter subscription form. Go to Pages on your WordPress dashboard and click on Add New. Give your page a suitable title, something like Newsletter Signup could work. Once titled, click the Edit with Elementor button to open the Page Builder interface. Inside Elementor, you'll be greeted with a series of elements you can add to your page. Look to your left, and you'll see the Elementor widget panel. Here you should find a shortcode widget, which is what you're going to drag over to your page. A shortcode is a small piece of code you'll use to help embed elements from plugins we've activated earlier. For the shortcode, switch back to the dashboard, find your MailPoet plugin settings, and then grab the shortcode for the newsletter signup form. This shortcode allows the signup form to be displayed on your page. Now paste this shortcode into the Elementor widget you just added. With the form now showing on your page, you can begin to personalize it. You can change its style, text, fonts, and colors to better fit the theme of your website, helping it seamlessly integrate with your current layout. Before wrapping up, remember to review your form more carefully. Check all text for typos and ensure links are functional, leading subscribers to the appropriate landing pages or confirmation pages. Once satisfied with the customization, hit the Publish button to make your new newsletter sign-up page live. And that's it. You've successfully added a newsletter sign-up form to your WordPress site using Elementor. This feature will undoubtedly boost your engagement by providing regular updates to your visitors. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below.